Hey guys, this is Andrew from Mockups Design. Today I'm going to show you how to use a packaging mockup. All packaging mockups are available right here on Mockups Design. To find the one you need, use the filters below the search bar. Today I want to show you how to place a label design on a glossy bottle with a pump. So I will set the filters like this. I think this bottle will be perfect for this tutorial. I will leave the download link in the description so you can follow along. Packaging mockups have two download options: free and paid. Both are very similar, same editing options, same full commercial license. The paid version is simply higher resolution, which is great for print and close-ups. Let's download the free version by clicking the web size version button. After downloading and unzipping the file, you will have three files: a JPEG preview, a PDF with the license, and a PSD file with the mockup. Let's open the PSD file in Photoshop. You will see the mockup with the sample design already placed inside, and colors match to it. We need to change that and place our own design. The most important thing for us right now is the layers panel. This is where we'll place the label and adjust the colors. In the layers panel you will see few groups with clear names. To show you how everything works, I will turn off the label group for now. The label design I will be using is quite simple, so the bottle should be white. We need to find the layer that controls the color of each element. Let's start with the bottle itself. I will expand the group called Bottle Customize, and then the color group inside it. Here you will find a smart object layer called Project. This one controls the bottle color. Keep in mind, every packaging mockup is built a little differently. It won't always look exactly like this, but the idea is always the same. In many other mockups, the color is just a simple color layer inside a group. A smart object is a special Photoshop layer that works like a container with other layers inside. You can spot it by the small icon on the layer thumbnail. Let's open the smart object called Project. Inside it we will find a layer that controls the color. Double click on its thumbnail to pick a new color. I will choose white. Now I will save the smart object and I will close the smart object tab. There we go. You just learn how to edit a smart object and change the bottle color. Yes, it's that simple. Now let's adjust the colors of the other parts. I will expand the groups Pump Customize and Ring Customize. Inside each one you will see two groups: Matte and Glossy. This lets you choose the type of plastic for the pump: shiny or matte. For this project I want both the pump and the ring to be glossy. The best way to do this is to keep only the glossy group visible. I will expand the glossy group inside the pump. The pump color is set by a simple color layer, so we don't need to open a smart object this time. I will double click on the color layer thumbnail and choose white. For the ring group, I'll first turn off the matte group, and luckily the glossy ring color is already set to white. Let me collapse all the groups to keep things clean. And here it is, a clean, white, minimalist bottle with a pump. Looks great. Now the only thing left is the label. Let's turn on the label group and expand it. You will see three layers. Most important one is the smart object called Project. Above it there are two layers attached with a clipping mask: shadows and highlights. They add realistic light and shadow to whatever you place inside. Thanks to this setup, your label can be any shape and any size. Let's double click on the project layer thumbnail to open the smart object. In a new tab, I will open my label design file. I will select all. I will copy all that I selected and go back to the Smart Object. I will close the Design File tab, we won't need it anymore. Now I will paste what we've copied before. As you can see, the design is way too big. It covers the entire area. We need to resize it with Free Transform. I will move the center of the layer to the center of the workspace and adjust the size using percentages. For this design, 35 works well. I will select the old design layer so it doesn't get in the way. Save the Smart Object and close it. Done. The label has been placed on the bottle. You might notice that the label looks more matte than the bottle itself, as if it was printed on matte paper. There are a few ways to fix this, but that's the topic for the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.